Alright, we're chilling at the Fbodyhangout Kennesaw, Georgia. Transmission's ready to be bolted to the engine, ready to be dropped in. We got a little restore in progress, taking every single nut, every single bolt off. We got a lot of new old stock parts here. Here's a couple of my buds helping me out. We got Sean, we got Pac-Man, and we got Pops. Got 80 Trans Am pace car. Got a 73. We got Sean's 4.9 turbo 301, which people always dog the 301 engines. Everyone says they suck. So what he's going to do is take that out, put it on a crate, drop in probably an LS1. As far as my 78 Firebird Formula, it's going pretty sweet. Like I said, every nut and bolt has been removed, polished, painted.
For a limited time, take advantage of Georgia Power's EarthSense refrigerator recycling program and get rid of
The firewall was it's pretty interesting. It was nasty. It was probably some parts 1.5 inches deep with adhesive.
Georgia Power, official energy partner of you. Certain restrictions apply. Need a break from the same old routine? You gotta let me work with that. Cherokee Casino and Hotel. After all the hard work you put in, you deserve it. Join us for non-stop entertainment, including 4,000 games. That's all you gotta do. Come in like mine. Music and more shopping than ever before. Plus, going on every Sunday through Wednesday. You can compete in our 777 Red Hot tournaments, where 6 lucky folks get to take home cash prizes. Who knows? Maybe we can get you out of that shell of yours.
New old stock
Anybody in there?
hood hinge here.
Harris Cherokee reserves the right to modify or cancel this promotion at any time. Must be 21 years of age to enter the casino and to gamble. Know when to stop before you start. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-522-4700. An enterprise of the Eastern Band of Cherokee.
Frame off restoration. What's that fancy stuff, Mike? No, that's
making it happen. That's what we are. Backyard mechanics.
That's right.
When Mom got sick,
Make it look good, you know what I mean?
I felt sort of stuck.
I don't like grease. I don't have anybody riding with grease.
No.
I went into SunTrust, and it really helped me see options I didn't know I had.
Now I'm moving forward.
I'm getting closer. I'm
All
not
right.
quite there, but I'm almost there. You know, slowly but surely. Now I can focus on what's really important.
Well, we'll keep you posted how the restore goes.
To help you find the answers you're looking for. At SunTrust, we want to hear your story.
I had this vision, I had this dream, I wanted to open up this shop.
That's why we start every conversation with, how can we help you?
Dum-dum-da-dum, we might have a big party. It's my baby girl.
SunTrust, come talk to us today or visit livesolid.com. SunTrust Bank, member FDIC. When it comes to career success, the graduates, students, and faculty at Strayer University have a lot to say.
Alright, thanks for watching. We'll keep you posted.
So they're looking for people that are willing to change.
What about me stood out was the fact that I was obtaining a master's degree and working full-time.
Adult students